Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku, and it's a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 5th, 2021. Yes, a binary puzzle we will solve. And let me focus. This will be number 2115. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one here and O, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one here and O, there and O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Now we have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then, let me see. Double O, here one, there one. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 O's. 1, 2, 3 O's. 3 O's. Okay. How about I need to compare, I think. Yeah. This row and that row. O, 1, 1, empty box. Empty box. O, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. 4 ones in the second row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then we have here 3 ones. If I place... No. I need to compare again. Yeah. I need to compare. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. Can we see another? No. Do we have a double one here? Yeah. Alright. The last column and this column. 1, 1. O, 1, 1. 1, 1. O, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here the first column 4 O's, so the rest are ones. A lot of comparing. I need to compare again. Unbelievable. Yes. Do we have a double O here? No, so we need to compare the rows. Do we have a double O, double 1 O? Yeah. The first row and this row, the fourth row. O, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Alright, finish in 6 minutes. A lot of comparing this Sudoku binary, but I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.